Beautiful day, isn't it? It's a beautiful day outside, isn't it? So this just happened. Kept hearing weird noises, and I came to find this is supposed to be solid, and you can see this is shattered and I can hang my hand through there. Not that I would recommend that. I'm guessing one of the tarps came loose and the metal piece on it swung and hit the glass. And you can see it's down here. Hurricane Zeta, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I've always wanted exciting weather. I believe the storm itself has passed, but the strong winds still remain. Not sure if you can hear them, but they're still pretty rough. Well, that's fun. Trees taking down the power lines. Alright. Out here in the boondocks, it can get real bad. Like that. Fortunately cleared out. Up here and you'll see that line's just straight up snapped. Yep, and this is out in the sticks in North Carolina. So that might not get addressed for a couple days. That does not look fun at all.